everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm just gonna jump right in again and start with the Tula primer. This is blurring and moisturizing, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my face. Then I'm going to be going in with foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Swan. And I'm going to be putting this on my Morphe Beauty Blender, and I'm going to be buffing it into my face. For concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. I'm going to be putting that under my eyes, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and a little on my chin, just to brighten up my face a little bit. After blending my concealer, and I'm going to be setting my whole face with translucent powder. This is the one by Pretty Vulgar. Then I'm going to be bronzing my face. I'm going to be using the bronzer. This one is I Heart Revolution, and this palette is called Rocky Road. And I'm just going to be taking that on an angled brush. This one's by Morphe, and I'm going to be putting that right below my cheekbones, on my forehead, and on my jawline. For my eyes today, I'm going to be using the ABH Norvina Volume 1 palette. The very first shade I'm going to be going in with is C4. It's a dark purple, and I'm just going to be putting it on a small crease brush and kind of patting it on the crease and on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to be blending it out with the lighter color. Then to blend out that dark purple color, I'm going to be using the shade B1, which is just like a light pink. And I'm going to be blending it out and taking it almost to my brow bone. After my eye is nice and blended, I'm going to be taking the shade D1, which is a very bright yellow color, and I'm going to be putting that right on top, and I'm just taking a little bit at a time and really building up the color because I don't want it too intense. I'm going to be using concealer to make a halo eye. I am just going to pretty much cut out the middle of my lid, putting concealer over it, and I'm going to be leaving the dark purple on either side. And after you use the concealer and you have the shape that you want, you definitely want to set it with any eyeshadow. I prefer like a beige color or white color, just so shadows can really be pigmented and still sit on there, but you also don't want the eyeshadow mixing in with the concealer because then your pretty color is just gonna turn all gross. I know I said that I usually use beige or white eyeshadows to set my concealer on my eye, but for today's purpose, for my look, I'm going to be using the yellow shade D1 and setting the concealer. Then I'm going to be going in with the shade C2, which is a very shimmery gold. This way, the gold gets as much pigment and payoff as possible. Then to blend out the yellow and the purple, I'm going to be going back in with the shade B1, which is that pink shade, and of course blending any harsh edges. And now I'm just going to be cleaning up the look, just putting the dark purple to blend everything together and really just cleaning it up. now for my other eye, I'm just going to quickly fast forward, so enjoy. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with my favorite. This is the Lash Princess by Essence. To be lining my waterline. This is the kohl liner by Wet n Wild. For highlight today, I'm going to be going in with that same palette by I Heart Revolution and just using the highlighter shade. And for lips today, I'm going to be using the Kaleigh lip kit. This is in the shade Harmony. course, for setting spray today, I'm going to be using my MAC Fix Plus. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And this look is actually inspired by someone on Instagram. Her Instagram is JenJed Makeup. I will link it down below, but make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also go look me up on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!